Is right now the best and worst time to build your PC? Let's discuss. In the past couple of weeks, most of you and a lot of friends and family have come to me asking me, is this the best and worst time to build your PC? I'm going to say yes. But I'm also going to say no.
Boo this man!
On the yes side of things, you're going to see a lot of inventory in stock. You're going to see a lot of sales going on as well. Like slickdeals.net just had a 2060 card OC for $200. They also had a 2060 super clock for $210. So you can't beat that. Even though they're not 30 series cards, it's still a good GPU to have, especially if you're doing 1080 game. The other thing is there are a lot of specials going on. Like Micro Center has if you buy a 11th gen Intel CPU right now, you get a free motherboard. Who does that? So seeing that the inventory, seeing that the inventory is there and everything's going on sale constantly, I don't see why it would be a bad time to buy your parts to build your PC or upgrade your PC at this moment. However, I'm only speaking to the ones that don't have newer parts. Like if you're still running a 4790K with a 970 graphics card, definitely it's time to upgrade. Like I don't know what you're doing, fam, but you need to boost that up, okay? Because games are getting a little bit more serious. Have you seen Spider-Man on PC? Have you? Now I know a lot of you guys are saying, but Zidane, you also said it's the worst time to buy any of this stuff. Why do you say it's the worst time? Potentially with the 2-year refresh rate that AMD and NVIDIA Intel does, they're going to announce the next series of CPUs and GPUs probably this fall or around this fall. And a lot of people are going to want to get that stuff. Not only is this going to cause more inventory issues, but also it's going to cause more scalping and more potential silicon shortages if we're not careful. You're going to have those people that are going to sell their current CPU and GPU, trying to get all the new stuff, but they won't be able to get the new stuff because it's sold out because everybody grabbed it up. Then they're going to try to get the current stuff that's out, and they're not going to be able to get that because everybody who thought they could get that will grab all that. So either way you look at it, it's potentially a win-lose situation. Either you win by getting what you can now, or you lose by not getting what you can later. So for the love of everything that is good, if you have not upgraded yet and you want something new, go ahead and grab what you can in inventory. If you see it, just grab it. If you can afford it, grab it right now. Just do it. If you have not built your computer and you're waiting until the new stuff, don't wait. Just grab everything you can now, because the current generation stuff is pretty damn good and will last you a good amount of years. Trust me. And for the love of God, do not go and sell your current stuff thinking you'll be able to buy the new stuff, because then you won't have anything that you can use and it's just going to cause problems. But that wraps it up. I just want to give you guys a short video on this, on my opinion, because I've been asking about it a lot lately, and hopefully this helps you guys. Also, one more thing. Weekly videos will be coming back starting this month, starting with this video. So be sure to look out for a new video each week, whether it's a short form or a long form video, whichever one I'm able to do at that time. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I thank you all for the support that's been flooding in. And also thank you for the understanding of everything that's been going on. For all those who know, I appreciate you. All those that don't know, you'll find out later on. Like, I'm not very public with my life, but with my close friends and family and like close subscribers, I'm very, honest and open with it. So I thank you guys that, that reached out and checked on me and made sure that I was okay. With that said, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time.